Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus, and today I'm going to look at whether my own homemade paint storage or a nail varnish stand I got off eBay is a better solution. So I got 4 of these. You can see with the amount of bubble wrap this is the 3rd one I think I was making, and I thought I'd film it for you just in case you've ever wondered what these were like and you were a bit hesitant about buying them. So as ever, I went ahead and bought one to save you the heartache of buying something that's rubbish. There are loads of these on the market, literally hundreds. I think it's a 7-tier one, and basically they come in a flat pack box is what I'm trying to say. And I freaked out the first time because I thought they'd sent me sort of frosted acrylic, but it's actually just a really thin protective film that you just nick the corner with a scalpel or something and you'll be able to pull it off, no bother. It's just to protect it whilst it's in shipping. Always take this off before you start attaching these little individual shelves, because otherwise you won't be able to get all the tape off. I discovered that the hard way. So 2 holes on each side of the little individual shelves or trays or whatever you want to call them, and you get a little packet of nuts and bolts, and basically it's just a case of 2 nuts, 2 bolts each side, and I had built them doing one on one side, the whole thing, and then attaching the other side, but it's actually probably easier to do the bottom one both sides and then the top one. And I'm just about to have a really immature joke here to myself when I'm recording this about don't forget, tighten your nuts. For some reason I thought that was very funny. Yeah, okay, so moving on. I did tighten my nuts, and this is what the end result is. Pretty straightforward. There's no instructions to say which way round it goes, but in the photos on eBay the nuts were to the outside. So here's me really quickly, obviously sped up film, but I'm really quickly building the unit. So let me impart some wisdom to you, and I mean this from hard won experience. The more paint that you own does not indicate your ability as a painter. I'm sure you all know that, but I've often tried to make up for my lack of talent by buying the latest and greatest gizmos and hoodickies and all that kind of stuff to make me a better painter. There's no shortcut to being a better painter apart from painting lots and practice. So although I look like I've got lots of paint, I don't think I'm a special painter in any way, shape or form. It's just me and my paint collection. Right, okay, so let's have a look at my old unit. This is it here. I made it out of MDF and wood glue. I was very proud of it. And it served me very well. It just looks a bit naff now when you see all these Instagram things of all these professional painters with their clear perspex stuff, and I thought I really wanted one, but as you can see it held a load of paint. So these are 2 right next to each other that I've got. I bought 4 in total, and I've got one for non-dropper bottle paints, and I've got 2 together to replace the wooden unit. So the question is, do I think it's worth buying? Well, look, the paint sitting on your shelf doesn't really make a difference. It really doesn't, unless it affects your mental health. Now, if you are someone who requires a tidy workstation in order to paint, then it's worth every penny. It really is. They were $9.99 each, £10, probably $8 or something. So yeah, it was totally worth it for me because I can't work in a messy storage area. So totally worth it. Thanks very much, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.